mateys, it's Dazzlinglatte, and welcome to a grocery haul. Okay, disclaimer, I did not step foot in a grocery store, and all of my groceries have been wiped down. Okay, I just want to make sure everybody knows that. Because like, I got chronic asthma, I cannot, all the groceries have been wiped down, everything's clean, everything's good to go. So, I can't remember the prices on a lot of this stuff. I think this was $9.49, and it is Boca 12 burger box. They're the original turkey veggie burgers, and they're vegan. They taste really good. They kind of taste like McDonald's, like a McDonald's hamburger. And they sell it in the 12 pack of burgers, and it lasts me a while, so because I usually have one burger with a meal. Next, oh my gosh, these are new. I didn't even know that this existed. Oh, I'm so happy. Morningstar Farms Vegetizers Veggie Pepperoni Pizza Bites, and they're vegan. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. They had sausage and then they had pepperoni, and I figured I'd try the pepperoni first. So, oh my gosh, it looks so good. They kind of look like Totino's pizza rolls. It kind of seems like, and I'm excited to try them because I loved Totino's pizza rolls before I went vegan. So like, I'm excited to try that on out. I think that was like $3.99, and then orange juice. I think this was $1.89. I got some Kroger orange juice, and I have vegan hot dogs in there, and I got some mild banana pepper rings. I didn't know they had the spicy ones. I just put the mild ones on there, but yeah, really good. Really good. I love that as a topping on my hot dogs. And my burgers, I have the burgers, and I still have day of cheese left, so. And this was, I think, $1.49, $1.99. Oh my gosh, I can't remember the prices on everything, but, yeah. Sugar snap peas. I think these were... Why am I blanking on all the prices? I know they were under $2, and it's like an 8-ounce package. I've been trying to eat healthier because I tend to go for like the really greasy snacks. I mean, so yeah, I got the sugar snap peas, just as like a healthy snack, and then I also got Kroger cotton peeled baby carrots, a pound of that for $1. I remember how much the carrots were. I have various dipping sauces. I think I still have some vegan mayo in there. And I might make myself up a ranch dressing out of that. Oh, Classico spicy tomato and basil pasta sauce. This is for dipping the vegetizers in, and I cannot remember the price on this. I don't know what the price was, but yeah, that's the pasta sauce. I always loved dipping the pizza rolls in pasta sauce. So, and this stuff is good. Oh, that is the stuff I will put on my lasagna. So, I think that is everything. I finally felt good enough to film a grocery haul. My last attempt did not go so well. But I'm doing better. Okay, I'm doing better. I'm having fun, with cooking and stuff and finding new vegan foods. That's kind of been helping me. Oh, I have a recipe video that I'm going to be editing tonight. It's like a pasta, like a vegan macaroni and cheese. It's really healthy. And I've been trying to exercise and trying to get in shape. This is all keeping my mind off of everything. So, I'm going to be doing grocery hauls again, and yeah. This is like a smaller grocery haul, but yeah, it's just because I stocked up on the burgers and stuff, and oh my gosh. My hair keeps going into my mouth. Okay, so, for now I have to go, but until the next time, smooth sailing to you and your pirate crew.